Now let's figure out if these that we have here are sentences or statements. Solution. We are to decide whether or not each of the following is a sentence and or statement. That is, it can be a sentence and a statement altogether. Now the first question, it says, I am sad. But first, let's recall what a sentence is and what a statement is. A sentence is an expression with a verb, while a statement is a declarative sentence which can either be true or false. Now for this, I am sad, it is a sentence because it contains a verb. But is it a statement? Yes, because it is declarative. That is, it can either be true or false. I am sad. It is either it is true that you are sad or you are not sad. So it is a sentence and statement. B, kneel down. Now this is a command. Because it is a command, we can't determine if it is true or false. So that means it is not a statement, but it is a sentence. Since it has a verb, sentence. Then C, we have 3 times 2 is equal to 6. It is a sentence and statement. That is, we can determine if this multiplication is true. That is it true that it is actually equal to 6 or not? So that's why it is a statement. Then it's also a sentence. D, we have the set 2, 4, 6 is a set of even numbers. Now it is a statement. Why? Because it can either be true or false. That is, we can know if 2, 4, 6, is it true that it is a set of even numbers? Yes, it is true. That means the statement. And it's also a sentence because it contains a verb. So we have sentence and statement. You notice for the second one where we have kneel down, it is a command. And because it's a command, it cannot be a statement because we cannot determine if it is true or false. Thank you.